Okay, hi guys, this is me, Nicole the cat, and we are going to be playing some Minecraft. Okay, this has changed. I haven't been able to play on this since I didn't know the IP address and stuff like that. Oh, sorry about that. Micro battles while drawing my thing, Master Builder, Survival Games, Speed Builder, Block Hunt, Skywars, Mind Strike, Super Smash Mobs, Champ Points, Clan. Well, I'm not gonna play that. I'm gonna play, oh god, what I normally play, and that is Cake Wars. Someone tell me where Cake Wars is, mate. Ooh, do I have any morphs? Oh, I thought I did. Okay, this way. Let's see if it's still over here. Yeah, Cake Wars is still here. I haven't played this since like forever. See if I'm still okay. Let's just put you down a little bit. Okay, yeah. Click this one, of course. Join Team Blue. I've been on this since ever, mate. Okay. I'm level 20. I never knew it was level 20. I thought it was level 80. Damn it, didn't get jump off. I don't like this map, but okay then. Let's just put you down. Oh god. Damn it, I forgot to put a little hashtag thing. Oh, that. At least they listen. Now all I need is a chest plate. Chest plate, and then I'm ready to go. Oh, this is really weird for me somehow. I don't know why, I just don't know, but this is really weird. Why is this so weird? I feel like this is so weird. Let's just stay here for a little bit and get my stuff up. Because I stay and protect. Well, I'm not the greatest at protecting. Oh my god, how? Mate, hackers? If I can't take them down, then what the hell? I'm okay. I need to get used to... I don't know why, but I'm just like not used to it now. Since I haven't played it since a long time. Like, my mouse is just going everywhere, you know. I'm not used to it. But I will get used to it. Rewards to climb, daily reward, thank you. How'd you get this? 16 achievements total. Right, so let me just move you across. Cake dinners win 100 cake wars games. Oh, that one's gonna be hard. We'll try and do some of those, I guess. And I have to try and win 100 cake wars games. That's not gonna be easy. Oh, I'm sorry. I don't know why, but I'm like this. You know, I've actually killed one of my teammates before because it was so annoying. I was building stuff and they kept on getting rid of it. So when they were on the wall, I just got rid of the wall beneath their feet. Dead fun. You gonna protect the cake? Okay, there we go. Sorry I don't talk much in these. I just don't know why I don't. I try to, but never really works out. Me talking. So either I'm in distress, or I just get way into the game. You and damn it, Red. Oh, you've got to be kidding me. writing something. I'm sorry, I didn't talk again. I need to learn to talk in these videos. Okay, get you, put you there. Get some more arrows. Perfect. Oh, nice shot. I'll leave my teammates to do that. I know I'm not talking, I'm sorry, the video's gonna end soon, I know that, blah blah blah. I'm sorry, I swear. And I'm not the nicest teammate. You could have nicer ones who, like, you know, help you and do stuff like that. But I'm just not that type of helper. I'm still going into my love and doing. I know how to go into my love alone. Know how to do some stuff, but I don't know how to do the way that you do. So don't blame me. So don't blame me. Yeah. Don't blame me. Don't blame me. I know that I may be going crazy. Hey, I know that, baby. I know that I'm going crazy. I know that I'm going crazy. I know that I'm going crazy. And I can see that, baby. I know that I am crazy, and I can see that, baby. And it keeps on going off screen. What I absolutely hate. And the thing is, we're not going to win against him because he has what's it called? Sharpness, and we need sharpness. Oh my god, stupid. Let's go around. Oh, by the way, this video is gonna end like in 2 seconds. Yeah. Don't know how somebody did not just stop me then, but okay.